Hi grade 12s, on this video we are then continuing with 8.5. 8.5 we've already read it, created a timeline for it, so it's just a matter of us answering the question, which is now calculating the value of x. Okay, so how I normally do it, or how I advise a learner to look at this, is that look at it as us having two separate investment, where we have the 6.5 and we have the x, which is in this case is the withdrawal, hence minus x, right? And both of this investment must lead to accumulated amount that we have at time 5. So what I mean is that a total is essentially a1 plus a2, where your a1 will speak to the 6.5 and the a2 will speak to the x, or the withdrawal. So because now we are considering time 5, we need to move each investment to T5. Each investment is then moved to time 5. What do I mean? For instance, A1. A1 is 6,500. For the first 2 years, it is compounded at 13% per annum. That is compounded monthly. So 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 times 2. Okay, after that it is then grown by 12.5% per annum, compounded quarterly. So this will be 1 plus 0.105 divided by 4 times 3, because now the first interest rate, it is used for the first 2 years, and then the remaining 3 years we then use the 10.5%. The key here is to know that the number of years should add up to 5. So this 2 plus 3 there should be equals to 5. Okay, so this will be your A1 at time 5. I'm gonna now just punch this on my side and put on the values. So 0.13, 12 divided 1 plus, all raised to the power of 24. This is 12 times 2. So then we get 1.29511799 multiplied by 0.105 divided by 4 plus, all then raised to the power of 12. This is 1.364702671. Multiplying all of that with 6.5 leads us to 11,488.43. All right, that's your A1. Then we have A2, which relates to the X, right? The withdrawal that was made at time 3. So with X, because it's made at time 3, what's only going to affect it is the 10.5, not the 13%, since it's done at time 3. And this will then affect it for only 2 years, time 3 to time 5. So you have X 1 plus 0.105 divided by 4 to the power of 4 for 2 years. Okay, that will then give us 4 divided 8 to the power x into 1.230340616. Okay, now what we know is that your A total is equals to A1 plus A2, where your A total is what we calculated as we were given it. This is 7248. So this was 7428 being equals to 11488.43 minus x into 1.2303400616. I say minus x because that x is a withdrawal. All right. Now we have 7428.30 and us subtracting that 11. So we have 7428.30 minus 11488.43 is equals to negative x 1.23034616, leading us to then us having negative 4606.13 is negative x 1.2303400616. Therefore, this means your x, which will be positive, is given by negative 4060.13 divided by negative 1.23034. Negative and negatives gives us a positive, hence your x will be a positive. Then x is 3300.00. So the withdrawal that was made is 3,300. I'll catch you on the next videos as we dive deep into this financial mathematics questions. Thank you so much.